the authorized share capital of the company is 10 lakh, which is divided into 8%, 5,000 preference shares of ₹100 each and 50,000 equity shares of 10 each. अब देखो मैंने आपको बताया था कि if we are writing down the authorized capital and if it is divided, तो हमें each class of the share का explanation देना पड़ेगा. So here we will have to give the explanation of each class of the share. So देखो total 10 lakh का authorized capital है, तो beyond which you cannot raise your capital. Now, 50% of each class of the shares were issued to the public fully called up. अब देखो इसमें से जो भी ऑथोराइज थे ना उसका 50%. So 5,000 preference shares है तो उसका 50% comes to 2,500. Same way, 50,000 equity shares है तो 50,000 equity shares का if you divide this 50%, it will be 25,000 equity shares. So equity shares fully paid up थे इतने के ₹20 per share on 100, 8% preference share and the 2 per share on 2,000 equity shares were not received. It means this is calls in arrears. ठीक है, तो ऐसे कितने शेयर्स थे? 100 शेयर्स थे और जिसका रेट कितना था 20, तो 100 into 20 is your calls in arrears. So total amount is 2,000. तो 2,000 का you have a calls in arrears and we know that calls in arrears will be subtracted. Same way, इक्विटी शेयर्स का कितना है? 2,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स है और कितना पैसा अभी भी कॉल्स इन अरियर्स है? ₹2, 2 पर शेयर. सो 2,000 into 2 comes to how much? 4,000. तो 4,000 का अभी भी कॉल्स इन अरियर्स है. शो द नोट ऑन द शेयर कैपिटल फॉर्मिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बैलेंस शीट. आपको क्या करना है? हमें शेयर कैपिटल का ये बताना है, नोट्स टू द अकाउंट्स. ठीक है, एंड फॉर्मिंग दैट पार्ट ऑफ अ बैलेंस शीट. तो हम क्या हेडिंग देंगे? नोट्स टू द notes on share capital, particulars rupees, then हम किसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं? हम शेयर कैपिटल के बारे में लिख रहे हैं. तो there you will be writing down share capital. शेयर कैपिटल में सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखते हैं? ऑथोराइज्ड. So we need to write down the authorized first. Capital. In that we have a 2 class of the share which has been given. So सबसे पहला क्या है? 5,000, 8% preference share, of ₹100 each. Which comes to 5 lakh. Then we have 25,000 share, 50,000 equity shares, of ₹10 each. Which comes to 5 lakh rupees. So total will be 10 lakh. Now next will be issued, subscribed, called up and paid up. In that the first one will be 50% ही क्या हुआ है, issued हुआ है. So 50% comes to 2,500. So 2,500, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each. So this will be how much? 2,50,000. Less calls in arrears. Into 2,000. Left 48,000. Again, equity shares 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 50% comes to how much? 25,000 shares. So this will be at 50,000. Less calls in arrears. 2,000 shares. Is equals to 4,000. This will be equals to 2,46,000. Now just take a total of this two. 4,94,000. This is how you have to show the notes to accounts. ऐसे बनेगा.